What's going on, guys? Today we're out here and we're going to be doing some bass fishing in this episode. We're at the pond again. We're going to be trying a shaky head with a 6-inch zoom worm. It's green, they work great. Hopefully we can catch a lot of largemouth on them. So stay tuned and wish me luck. There we go. First one on the shaky head. Looks like a pretty good one. Nice largemouth. It's a really good largemouth. And it come undone. Oh, I shouldn't have let off so much pressure. Just trying to get him in here without getting me soaked. There we go. Caught him up in some weeds. Good one on the shaky head. Second one I've caught with the shaky head. I just got a little 6-inch zoom worm on there. It's good fish. I like catching bass like that. It's a lot of fun. I'll let him go. There we go. That was an immediate hookup. Another one on the shaky head. Oh my goodness. This is a big bass. Holy smokes. Now that is a good size off of a shaky head. That's a good bass. I love catching them like this. Cool. We're gonna see if we can get another one. Going back. Donk. We're just fishing as close to these weeds as we can get. We're getting right on in there. Throwing the shaky head in as far as we can get it. It's bouncing off the bottom. Bass see it, chomp. It's gone. There we go. What we got? Is it a bass? It's got to be a bass. Pulling hard. Oh yeah. Sweet little jump. It's another good little bass. Pretty cool. See if I can get him in here. There he is. Another one on the smaller worm, shaky head style. Cool. There we go. Another one on the shaky head. Another fish going back. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on another episode. Peace.